In today's video, I will walk you through how to add ebook products in Shopify. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on Products. After opening the Products section, locate the Add Product button near the top right corner and select it. This will take you to the product creation page where you can enter the details for your ebook. Start by entering the title of your ebook. After adding the title, check the product category section. Shopify may automatically detect the category based on the title you entered. If the category is not detected correctly, manually select ebook as the product category. Next, move to the product description area. Enter the details you want displayed for your ebook. Add the information you want customers to see when they view the product page. Once the description is complete, upload the cover image for the ebook. Select the image file and add it to the product so the ebook has a cover displayed on the store. After adding the cover image, continue to the product configuration settings. Since the product is an ebook, locate the inventory tracking option and disable it. This ensures inventory tracking is not used for the product. Next, find the shipping settings. Because the ebook is a digital product, disable shipping for the item. Once inventory tracking and shipping have been disabled, continue filling out the remaining product details. Enter the price you want to charge for the ebook. After setting the price, add any tags you want associated with the product. If applicable, place the ebook into the appropriate collection. Continue reviewing the remaining product fields and complete any information you want included with the listing. When all the details have been entered, take a moment to review the entire product page. Check the title, confirm the category, review the description, verify the cover image, confirm inventory tracking is disabled, make sure shipping is disabled, and review the pricing and tags. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, make the changes before continuing. Once everything looks correct, locate the Save button. Click Save to create the ebook product and add it to your Shopify store. After saving, the ebook will appear in your product list and be available in your store according to your product settings. The overall process is simple. Open Products, click Add Product, enter the ebook title, set the product category, add a description, upload the cover image, disable inventory tracking, disable shipping, enter pricing and additional details. Review everything, and save the product. And that's how to add ebook products in Shopify.